both handlebars. Leaning forward too a little bit, bend your elbows a little bit. Kind of feel like the photographers at school. We'll do a couple test runs first, okay?
Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom.
Okay. Creepy.
Creepy?